right, so everyone, welcome back. I wanted to share a recent experience, kind of a head-scratcher. I was helping a friend remotely with their computer, and it turned into, well, it felt like a tech support odyssey. You know, we started off simple enough. He needed to install a program.
Yeah.
No problem, right? Except, boom, error, 0x800704122.
I see. So not quite a smooth installation then.
Not even close. And that was just the beginning. Like, okay, maybe something's up with the installer. Let's try updating Windows. And guess what? More errors. First, it was 0x8007041d. Then, just for good measure, we got hit with 1053.
A trifecta of errors, huh? That does sound like you stumble into a bit of a digital maze.
It felt like every time I tried to fix, another problem popped up. You know, I checked services, repaired system files. I even went so far as messing around with group policy. Anyway, nothing worked. I was at my wit's end.
So what did you do? Wave the white flag.
Almost. But then, I don't know, maybe it's desperation. I came across this tool called Windows Update Blocker.
Interesting. That doesn't sound like the most obvious solution.
Yeah, I know, right? I didn't have much hope, but honestly, I was out of options. So I figured, why not? Give it a try. And get this, it actually worked. The installation error vanished, and the Windows update started working perfectly.
That's remarkable.
But before we go, I just want to remind everyone that we have a link to Windows Update Blocker in the show notes, just in case you ever find yourself in a similar predicament.
Just remember to use it with caution and awareness, as with any tool that modifies your system.
Absolutely. All right, folks, until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and happy troubleshooting.